Hi guys, it's Katie. So I'm just gonna come on and do a quick little video kind of showing you the basics of doing your brow mapping or your measuring. So I've got a little eyeliner here, and you can use a white eyeliner pencil or any kind of a pencil that's able to be sharpened because you wanna make sure you can sanitize it, okay? And what you're gonna do is I kind of use my nose as the guide. So the end of my nostril, usually you want the beginning of the brow to kind of be in line right here, okay? And the end, the tail, usually is about, to there. And then pupils, I usually use these as the guide for the arch. So the outer edge of my pupil is going to be kind of in line with where my brow is naturally arching. So when you're waxing, what I do is I of course wax in the middle, underneath, and on top, but you want to be very, very careful with your sections. Do very small sections, because if your sections are too large, not only is it going to be a little bit more sensitizing on the skin, but it's going to hurt a little bit more. And I think that it's easier if you just go, just go slow, take your time, be very careful, make sure that your wax is not too hot, to make sure you're always testing your wax on your hand. I like it to be a little bit on the thicker side personally, kind of, of course, warm enough to work, but a little bit more on the thicker, not watery side, I guess you could say, because I feel like it's easier to kind of spread. And also, when they're laying down, I will have them, don't be afraid to have them move their head however you need, okay? So, and what I do is I'll have them kind of turn their head to the side, and that way I'm able to easily see this angle, this arch, that I am wanting to really get that crisp line, And, also another tip that I love to use is extra virgin olive oil. I know this sounds so crazy, but if you apply a tiny, tiny bit on clean skin, after you cleanse it, you have prepped it for the wax, just apply a teeny bit of a facial oil, extra virgin olive oil, whatever you have, on your facial table, and it's going to be a protective barrier on the skin to protect from breakouts. And also it's going to help with preventing the skin from lifting. I know that sounds really, really scary, but a lot of times clients are not honest with you if they are using medications that thin their skin. Of course, you want to always make sure that you are going over this with the consultation. But just to kind of be an insurance, to make sure that their skin is healthy, I love to use the oil, and I swear it's a game changer. It'll set you apart from the other estheticians. And yeah, anyways, I hope this helps.